A fluffy corgi is relaxing on a sunny afternoon when suddenly it starts to hiccup. Each hiccup causes its ears to flop and its little body to jump in surprise. Comically, the owner tries to calm the corgi down by offering treats, but each time the pup goes for one, another hiccup erupts. In a hilarious twist, the corgi decides to chase its own tail mid-hiccup, leading to a dizzying spin around. Finally, the cornered tail wins as the corgi plops down, Hiccups fading as it catches its breath with a goofy look. Who knew hiccups could be this funny?